Yo, what's good? It's Poppy AJ. We at the mall. I gotta get my prom suit. Got the Supra in the bag. I gotta get it cleaned. I'm getting some Dior right now. We're about to get some Dior. I just came out the mall. Got me some Dior Sauvage. Yeah, I couldn't find my prom suit, bro. They didn't have my size. So I ordered it online, the pants. I already got the top. So yeah, we'll probably go for a car wash right now. Car's kind of dirty. All right, about to get this baby cleaned up. Stop at Target right now because I gotta get my hair product. As you can see, my hair is a mess right now, and I haven't had one of my hair products in like, damn, let me cross, bro. Yeah, so I'm about to get my hair products. Just one product. I just need it. I can't really live without it, so I gotta get it. We out here cleaning up the car right now. Bro, what? Alright. So we just finishing it up, cleaning it up. Last part, washing. And for everyone that doesn't know, I got the windows tinted this week. And now I'm just waiting on the exhaust to come in so I could get the custom exhaust. And then we really gonna have the car like ba 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 da 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 da. You know? Alright, gotta clean this up. Yo, look at that. I didn't even peep that yet. Supra. Looks fire. Clean this. There you go. My whip coming out. Alright. So that was my quick little car wash video. Make sure you go like, comment, subscribe. I gotta go hit the track, get my workout in, because my hamstring's kind of a little tight. But you know, I gotta go get my workout in. But yeah, hopping out.